Hi everyone, welcome to today's video, or welcome back. My name is Kitty and I love subscription boxes, and today we're opening up the journal junk box. So this journal, or this box, is supposed to be perfect for journal junkies, people who love planning, journals, all like accessories related to that, stationery. So I can't wait to see what's inside. I've been mentioning this a lot on our channel, but I love journaling. I use it every day to like do to-do lists, gratitude lists, just to jot things down, positive affirmations. I'm always reaching for my journal, so I am super pumped. So this box has two different sizes. The mini is $22.95 a month, and then the regular size box is $44. But if you like prepay for like 3, 6, 12 months, you can get some money back. I think it goes down to like $39 a month, and they also provided a code for us for 15% off. So I will link them down below along with that code. Not affiliated, it's just for you guys. I was sent this free for review, so thank you, Journal Junk Box. Let's get started and see what's inside. This is what the box looks like. It came with some cuter outer like wrapping as well, but you know, pink and girly. And this is the full-size box. Oh, and this is January. I thought it was going to be the December box. So this should be what you guys are getting if you order it now, but depending on when you're watching this. So just be what's in the box. So it gives you a list of everything that's inside and the pricing, and then they give a journal prompt. I love that. It says, what is your superpower? And in January, we're always like kind of feeling more like into our superpowers. So I think that's great, you know, intentions and everything. And then there's a thank you card. Your support makes our heart happy. Love that. And then everything is wrapped up in tissue. So let's see what's inside. Ooh. So right away I see something. Looks like a mug, or not mug. What am I trying to say? Sippy cup thing. Sippy cup. I'm a hot mess. Sorry guys. I usually do Mega Monday videos on Monday, but I've had this headache all day, so I decided a new box would be just as exciting. So that's why we're opening Journal Junk Box today, new to our channel. So this is super cute. You can put like whatever you're drinking while you're journaling in here. Love that. Love the hot mess, because I feel like that's me like 100% of the time, and it's important to hydrate. So good reminder. Next up, is it Friday yet? We have a canvas pixie pouch, so you can put your writing tools in here, your journal tools. This is really cute. I love the colors of it. And is it Friday? I know it's like Monday. I'm like, I need a break already. Nice. So, yeah. Oh, that's just it's pretty spacious. You can put a lot in here. So cute. And this is by Talking Out of Turn. And then we have, looks like there's a little drink mix in here. Oh my gosh, fun. It's like a little celebration for New Year's. Oh my god, that is January. That's crazy, so close. So there's one of these little thingies. Oops. Should I do it? My neighbors. I can hear them all the time, so that's like the one time they can hear. I'm pretty quiet. So I've had one of these before. It's like a, yeah, craft mix Passionista Paloma. So you just add the alcohol in here. Yeah, it says pour 1 shot of silver tequila, add 2 shots of water, mix in this packet, serve over ice, and enjoy. That sounds really good right now. And then there's a little paper here where you could put down what you want to do this year. And there's a picture of some bubbly. Nice. And then we have a little journal here, or a set of 3 journals. How cute are these? So they're each a different color, and let's see. It has, here, I'll just open it if I can. I just cut my nails here. I'll just show you what they look like on the back. So there's 3 small journals. So you can like put these in any bag, which is great if you just want to jot things down on the go. And they're so cute. Pink, purple, solid color, and then this fun print. I go through journals pretty quick. We have one that looks pretty much similar to the last design, but full size, and I love when it has that, so it's easy to flip from page to page. Oh my god, yes, I'm so excited. And it says, just be you on the front. Yes, be your true authentic self. I love that. This is awesome. This is by Graphique. And on the top, it does give dates and everything too, if you want to circle it so you know what month and day you're on. That's awesome. Yeah, so it has all the months there and then all the That's so cool. Yeah, so it's lined paper. This is perfect for how I use my journals because I use like one journal at a time for everything. I used to have multiple journals that I would do different things in, but it was just easier for me to just condense all my thoughts, all my lists and everything into one at a time. So I go through them really quick. So this will be my next one. I'm excited. It's so cute and fun too. It makes me want to reach for it. And then next we have This Is Us stickers. Oh, cute. So these are really cute. I love how everything with like the colors are going together. And there's 2 sheets in here. It has like hearts and flowers. Every day is a fresh start. Make your happiness a priority. Self-care is not selfish. I love stuff like this. This is perfect. These are so cute. Totally gonna use those. And next, it looks like we have some washi tape and a pen. They're really giving you everything you need in a journal. Oh, pretty, and they're all glittery and fun colors. And the glitter makes me think of January with New Year's and everything, and celebrations going on. So there are 6 different washi tapes in here, and they are by the journal junk box, excuse me. And then we have a pen, which is super fun. It has like the little glitter in there, so if you go up and down, you can see it. Awesome. And still some more stuff to go. There's a lot in here. I think this is the last thing. So we have some Meet Me for a Drink paper clips. These are so cute. I love these paper clips. Oh my gosh. At first I didn't know what they were. Now I can see that. So we got like a martini glass, wine glass, beer. That's awesome. I love how they stayed really on theme for January. Like in them, you really get everything. So you get a full-size journal, 3 mini journals, you get some washi tape, a pen, a little party favor for like the New Year's, little place to write your goals for the year. You get like a case to put all your paper clips in, all your pens and your washi tapes, all of that. So I think this is super fun. And if you're just starting off with journaling too, this gives you everything you need, or it adds to what you already use if you're a daily journaler like me. So I would love to hear your thoughts down below. I thought this was super fun. I love boxes that stay on theme, and I love that they give you a wide variety of items. So again, they will be linked down below along with the code. Can't wait to hear your thoughts. Let me know how your weekend was. Let me know how you are now. I hope you guys are all safe and healthy, and I will see you super soon. Bye, guys.